Can you hear me? Yeah, I can use my teacher voice. So I was thinking I have my phone, right? So I can use AI. I can write a beautifully written, like welcome or something. And I get to see all my old friends here. So I have to chat with them. And my 10 years old is there. So as a bad parenting, so I give him my phone, right? Just play my phone. So now I don't have a script. But I think it's so important. I think I heard from the talk, I heard about your charges community, connection, innovation, and education. So I think I really agree with that. So just share with this group a little bit my personal reflection about the AI. Since you are really here, so I don't really need to preach to a choir, see how important the AI, the skill needed, right? So you all know that because that's AI is changing our life. And you need this skill to equip yourself for the evolving world. But more importantly, I'm just thinking about is the human skills. What we need, the human skills, right? The collaboration, the teamwork, the critical thinking, the ask reasoning. And I also heard the keynote speaker talk about, say, the community. He said he really enjoying all the people work together because that journey is messy, but that's a messy experience is meaningful. So I hope when you come here, you have this community. You can grow together, you gain your skill, but more importantly, you can enjoy the messiness but meaningful human experience. So now that's for my reflection about AI. Since we are here at NC State, we are very proud as a great institution at RTP. So I want to share a little bit more what's happening on campus here. First, we have a great colleges here. We see some professors here. So we have foundational research in AI. We have the top-notch engineer school. We have science. We have agriculture. And also we do very differently is applied AI. So if you go on the NC State website, you can see we have applied AI in engineering. We have applied AI in agriculture. We have applied AI pretty much in each college there. So that's we do it very intentionally because we know the real world problem cannot be solved by a single discipline. You need to have the disciplinary knowledge and you need to know how to work together. So I encourage you, if you're looking for collaborators, go to our website, look at the topics you are interested in. Just most recently, I heard about just some anecdotal story. I looked up probably on the flyers that talk about one speaker. It's from college agriculture, right? So she's doing some very interesting things, use AI for smart farming. And another professor, I think she's doing robotics, like soft tissue robotics to help the patient to PT. I think that's a collaboration between engineering, biomedical, and math school. So that's kind of exciting things happen at NC State. This is an ecosystem, as you mentioned. We need innovators, we need top-notch students, we need top-notch talents here, so we can come together. Another thing I want to share at NC State, you can see I don't have a script. I try to figure out what other thing. It's about education. So at the NC State, we really think about is to create pathways for all the students, gain the skills in data science and AI. So we don't have a school of AI, even in Florida, Texas, also we have a school of AI, we have a school of data science. So we don't do that. So what we do is very intentionally to think about what's the foundation skills you need, but what your majors are. We heard a lot of college students, they say they have a first major, that's your parents' major, and second major, that's your passion major, right? But we don't want you that. We want you getting the major you love, but you have the skills from the data science, from the AI to help you to success. So if you go on the website, you can see we built all the minors, certificate, and also majors from undergrads to master to PhD level. You can be prepared for not your first job, but for the job of the future. Last one, if any of you are sitting there, you're also interested for continued lifelong learning. They have opportunities for you as well. So we have a lot of non-credit offerings. I think Dr. Pu Liu is offering some workshop, right? And it's very popular. It's been signed up in like 2 or 3 workshops already. So a lot of opportunities for you to engage with the university. I think the last one is engagement. So NC State also have a very good community for entrepreneurship, for the innovation and entrepreneurship. We have programs for the Launchpad. You can come in to find the talent you're looking for and also serve as a mentor. So I think they have all different ways to engage with us. So we are very happy to have you here, and I hope you enjoy evening. Thank you.